talk about FLOKI. This is a meme coin many will be aware about, but has still done over 95% in just the last 4 weeks. Is this a project that can reach $1? Can it still produce another big leg up? I'm going to break that down and a lot more. Yesterday, I've done a similar analysis on Notcoin. If you haven't watched that, I'm going to link it up for you guys to go watch. If you want to see me do this breakdown for any other coins, then make sure you let me know in the comments and we can do that breakdown for your favorite altcoin as well. It's clear that meme coins continue to pop off, right? You are seeing this week strength in meme coins, and of course on the month, things like FLOKI, Pepe, Brett, Jasmine, many things here move into the upside as we are seeing Bitcoin hold good strength around that 71k level. And the question is going to be, can altcoins go on another leg up? I mean, you can see here FLOKI has just hit all-time highs this week, now going into price discovery. Can it 10x from here? Can it 100x from here? I'm going to break that down. If you appreciate that, then smash up the likes. Don't forget to subscribe as always. If you want to trade FLOKI or any other meme coin, you can do so using my links in the description to Bybit, to BitGet, Mexi. Those are the 3 exchanges I'm currently actively using. Check out the link in the description. So, first and foremost, the thing we need to understand always with any of these meme coins or altcoins is the blatant tactic they use of using very small numbers. We have to address this. If you're watching this and you're new to crypto, you're looking for a meme coin, you can make money trading meme coins, but you need the knowledge that I'm going to drop in this video, because just thinking that this coin is cheap because it's 0.000 and Bitcoin is at 71,000 doesn't tell you the story. You cannot compare altcoins price versus price. You need to compare market cap versus market cap. Very important to understand that. The way you calculate market cap is the supply multiplied by the price. So if I walk you through the example here from FLOKI, and you can get all this data here, for example, here on CoinMarketCap, go ahead, take the market cap, it's 3 billion, which is basically their circulating supply of 9.5 trillion, multiplied by the price, okay? So if you take one, multiply by the other, you're going to get your market cap. And it's this market cap which you can compare with other projects, okay? So I'll show you how you can do that. So this is the number that if you think FLOKI is going to 10x, you're basically saying the market cap has to 10x, okay? We have to go from 3 billion to 30 billion. And that's what you have to justify. What would make FLOKI worth 30 billion? Can they go and achieve that? That's what you're almost saying if you're investing in FLOKI, looking for that price target. So let's break this down very clearly. Hold up. Do you want to learn how to trade? Then you need to jump into our Telegram community. Link is in the description. In our Telegram community, I share my altcoins. I share how I do my trade setups, how I do my stop losses and take profit, so you could learn to become a profitable trader. Check it out. Link is in the description. We're sitting here at 0.003214. We want to get a 10x, okay? Because of course, if you're investing in a meme coin, you're not even looking for a 10x as your base target, then you're kind of asking for trouble, right? In crypto, especially altcoins, you're getting 10x for fun on many layer 1 solutions, on layer 2 solutions, on gaming coins, let alone meme coins. People are generally in meme coins for bigger returns, right? 100x's, 1000x's. So your base case would be a 10x. In order to get a 10x on FLOKI, you need the price to be 0.003214. You need to lose a decimal place. And that basically means that the market cap would have to be $30 billion. Yes, $30 billion. Now, at the bottom here, you'll see I put some other projects here to give you some sort of a yardstick, right, to compare FLOKI to. So Bitcoin sat at 1.3 trillion. Ethereum is sat at 450 billion. BNB is sat at 95 billion. Doge is at 23 billion. So basically, if you think FLOKI is going to do a 10x from where it is now, you're expecting the market cap to be almost 7-8% more than Dogecoin, right? So it would be the biggest meme coin today. Now, when you're investing, you're not necessarily investing in the market today. You're thinking about the market at the top of the peak of the next cycle, of this cycle, right? At the peak. And so you can make the argument that, hey, at the peak, I actually expect Bitcoin to be 4 trillion, 5 trillion. I expect Ethereum to be 1 trillion, 1.5 trillion. Maybe I expect BNB to be much more. Maybe Doge can go and hit 100 billion. In which case, why can't FLOKI be 30 billion, right? So those are the arguments you're going to want to make and justify in order to explain how it can do a 10x from here. You want the whole market to give it some uplift as well. But now we're going to move on to the 40x. Look at the 40x here, guys. A 40x gets you to 0.0128. That's $120 billion market cap. Okay, guys? So if you're basically sitting there saying, hey, I'll hold a bag of FLOKI, it's going to 40x. You're basically saying that the project size is going to be bigger than BNB is today, which is quite insane to think, right? You want the project to be bigger than one of the biggest blockchains out there, the biggest layer one solutions out there, the biggest chains with various dApps built on it out there. Now, I'm not going to say it's impossible, but you can see how this starts to become improbable. And then definitely on the 100 and 1000x's, right? 100x, you're saying 300 billion. You're basically saying it'll be 2/3 the size of Ethereum currently. Again, we can make the argument that Ethereum is going to get bigger and bigger in the midst of this next bull market, but you basically want it, it'll be huge, right? It'll be bigger than Dogecoin by a lot, right? So at least 10 times. So those are the factors you need to start pricing in here. If you're shouting that, oh, my FLOKI can 1000x, I've got $1,000 in FLOKI, I think I'm going to become a millionaire on FLOKI. In other words, $1,000 to $1 million is 1000x. Then you're basically saying that FLOKI is going to get to 3 trillion market cap, more than twice the size of Bitcoin today. So hopefully me just doing this exercise shows you that some of the numbers we throw around with meme coins are unjustified, it's clickbait, it's there to get you to FOMO in, and it's not realistic. So to summarize, am I saying no, don't buy FLOKI? No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying be realistic with your price targets. If you're jumping into FLOKI looking for 50, 60, 70%, 100%, 200%, no problem. But if you're sitting there going, hang on, a 40x, 100x, 1000x, hopefully those numbers have put things a little bit into perspective. Now, with that said, FLOKI's in a great position. If you guys were following my content and you were in my Telegram group, link is in the description. We called this consolidation. Look at this beautiful, beautiful triangle consolidation I had drawn on. Beautiful breakout. Had you have traded it, you would have got yourself a handsome 80 to 90% return there. Beautiful. Just taking a nice spot, long trade, no need for leverage, right? And so now when we zoom back out to the weekly, we're in price discovery. So absolutely, I would back this to go on another leg to the upside, particularly if Bitcoin can break through its consolidation and get an all-time high and start working towards 80,000 and 90,000 like many people are expecting, then I would expect another big leg up on FLOKI. But by no means would I be chasing these green candles. I need to wait for a calling off. I'm not buying all the way up here. You guys, if you're buying here on this hype, you're buying into the FOMO, right? Because this has just had a beautiful breakout. Now wait for a consolidation. Let it come to a position of support. Be patient and trade from a position of support. That's very, very important. I mean, look at Pepe as an example here. Again, called this breakout. Beautiful move to the upside. Now it's calling off into your ribbon. If you wanted to entry here, that's a much better entry than taking an entry all the way at the top here. And that's what you want to be able to do. So hopefully this video has been useful in terms of understanding, can my FLOKI bag 1000x, can it, turn my $50 into me becoming a multimillionaire? No. It's about time we start trading and investing in meme coins in a sensible manner and actually understanding what is possible. If you want those 1000x's, if you want those, 500x's, those kinds of returns, you need to be looking at smaller market cap projects. That's why you're seeing a lot of hype around meme coins on Solana, meme coins on the Ton blockchain, meme coins elsewhere, where you're kind of catching them a bit early. Once they're with these big fish, once they're with Doge and Shiba and Pepe and FLOKI and these guys, once average people have caught that first move, then you're looking to snipe entries like I've just shown you. You're waiting for a call off, you're waiting for the next bit of momentum, and then you want to trade it for a quick 100%, or you want to trade it for 90% here. Those 100x's, those 1000x's are happening much lower on the market cap scale. Hopefully you found this useful, guys. If you appreciate this type of content, smash up the likes. Do not forget to subscribe, and as always, check out the links in the description to Bybit, BitGet, Mexi. Trade with us and get some amazing bonuses. I'll see you in the next one.